I just got this in from NOMAD. This is their Rocky Point band. I am so excited to put this on my Apple Watch. So this is the band I had on it, which came from Apple directly. I like the band, but it's really thin. So when I'm wearing something nicer, it's an athletic band. It's not as dressy, but this sucker is absolutely gorgeous. And you'll notice one of the things I like about it is it just looks a little beefier, just a little bit wider at the top. And so when you put it with your Apple Watch, which is pretty straightforward, you push the back. And on these ones, you do need to hold it the entire time that you're sliding it through, and then you'll feel it lock. Where the Apple ones, I feel like you can kind of just slide a little easier in, but the fit is true. And NOMAD makes some great products. So there you go, we got it fit. And now, this is a titanium powder coated to match the black Ultra 3 that I have. So there we go. And now I've got a band that looks more masculine, and it's really, really high quality. They've got a really good warranty, fully adjustable, and now I have a more traditional watch look, and this looks a lot cleaner and nicer. So I definitely recommend, if you've got an Apple Watch, go with the NOMAD. They've got a lot of really good bands. The Rocky Point is the one that I picked up, and I really, really am happy with it. I think it looks fantastic with the Apple Watch.